and welcome to Bees Adventures, where we travel the world together. And today we're going to talk about staying safe while hiking in Canada. First, here are some words you need to know. Bear. Safe. Map. Weather. I visited Canada and spoke with Rachel, hiking guide who knows all about the wild.
Hiking is fun, but it's important to look out for danger. You don't want to get hurt or lost.
Rachel gave me so many useful tips to stay safe. I learned a lot about being prepared.
Always bring a map, food, and water. Getting lost is easier than people think, even on simple trails. Getting lost is easier than people think, even on simple trails.
I would hate to get lost. Rachel told me how being brave is helpful, but planning is smarter.
You also need to dress right. Wear boots and carry a raincoat. The weather can change quickly here.
Rachel also explained how hikers should pay attention to signs, sounds, and their surroundings.
If you see a bear, stay calm and don't run. Most animals avoid people if you let them know you're there. Most animals avoid people if you let them know you're there.
That's great advice. I even tried hiking myself. It was beautiful, but I was careful the whole time. Thanks for listening to Bees Adventures. See you soon.
I turned off my phone before bed. Bread. Bed.
Make it before you leave the house.
All of the children. Ball. All.
We'll play volleyball the day after tomorrow.
What are you doing the day after tomorrow? After. What are you doing the day after tomorrow? Do you have back pain? Back. Pain.
आपका दिन clear house.
Fever.
Fight.
Aspirin. Asleep.
Pharmacy. Get. There are a lot of objects on my desk. There's a book and
Tissue. Ring. Ring. Prince. Comb.
palace.
Effect.
Dress. What did the queen find in the forest?
She wants to fight the Bat King. Did the prince enjoy anything besides eating?
Get set. What happened when the king lost his importance?
Angry.
There are a lot of objects on my desk. There's a book, an apple, a pen, and a laptop. What did the queen find?
जल्दी से निकाला कर